I'm not sure about you guys watching this video, but I feel like GameStop stock has been flying under the radar. Not many people have been talking about it, and this thing's been doing pretty well ever since they reported earnings. So I figured, hey, let's do a quick update on GameStop, break down the charts, go over what I'm looking to do. So if y'all find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo, link down below. Once you guys open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat, and once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks. And once you fund your account with at least $1,000, are you guys ready for this? You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want to help out the channel and you want some free money, go to that link down below or go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo. Get your free money. Let me know what stocks you get in the comments. And with that being said, cheers, guys. Let's dive right into the video. So again, this stock, in my opinion, has been flying under the radar, and it's been doing pretty well over the past couple of days and over the past couple of weeks. You guys can see here back about a week ago, yeah, exactly a week ago, GameStop was at 20 bucks a share, a little bit under that actually. It was at $19.94, and now it's pushing over 23 bucks per share. In other words, it is up around 14, almost 15% in the past week. And guys, it gets even better. Look at this on the 4-hour chart. You guys probably remember this company reported earnings. When was this exactly? Back in the end of March. Yeah, March 21st. And ever since that point, this stock has been up even more than just 15%, which again is what it's up over the past week. It is up way more than that. It is up around, let's see, 45%. Yeah, 44%, pretty much 45%. It is up a ton. And you guys probably remember when they reported earnings, it shot up around 50% that day. It was pretty nuts. I think, 60% over that, during that day, which is just insane. And now the company, again, is starting to break out, and it's moving under the radar a little bit as the company is set to report earnings in about 2 weeks, or exactly 2 weeks from today, which today's the 17th. They're reporting earnings on the 31st of May. So GameStop, guys, is starting to look pretty interesting, which again is why we're covering it here on this video. So you guys can see we did see a little bit of a sell-off after that huge spike after earnings where we got to about 28 bucks. We did come down to about $18, so we did sell off a good 35%, pretty big sell-off there. But what you guys can see, what you guys are probably noticing is, look at that. We actually held a higher low after this sell-off, and we pretty much held the trend that you guys are seeing here, and we bounced off it. Now we're moving back over the moving averages. So we went from 28 bucks to 18 bucks. We were under the moving averages. We had a death cross to now going back over the moving averages, and we're on the verge of getting a golden cross any day now. Any day now, in my opinion, we're going to get that 50 to cross over the 180 SMA, which you guys probably know, that is a very bullish sign overall. And right now in real time, guys, we're testing the highs from, when was this? Back in the middle of April, we hit roughly 23 bucks. You guys can see that's pretty much where we're testing right now. So in my eyes, if we were to clear out of or rather clear above 23 bucks, 23.50, now we're talking a move probably back towards that $28 level, $27, $28. So I'm going to set my alert at 23.50, mark is at or above. And again, if we clear out of this point, which has been resistance, for the past couple of weeks, in my opinion, we could then make a move towards, maybe the mid 24s, which was the high from, let me see exactly when, the end of March. Then after that, mid 24s, now we're talking again, 27.50, 28 bucks, which you guys probably know, like I said, is the level we hit after earnings. So in my eyes, guys, we are one breakout away, or maybe 2 breakouts away, 23.50 and 24 bucks from a move all the way back to that high, 27.50, 28 bucks, and that could that could bring another 10, 15, 20%, upside, more upside here on GameStop, depending on where it actually ends up going, whether it goes, 25, 26, 27. Time will tell, guys, but all I know for sure is, again, bulls are in charge here. We're holding higher lows. We're breaking back over the moving averages, which we haven't done in a couple weeks. And again, the bulls are in charge, and they're gaining more momentum by the day. And you guys can see here, if I pull up the Safari tab, like I said, they're reporting earnings in 2 weeks from now. And before we look at that, let me make my face a little bit smaller. There we go, so we can actually see the numbers, guys. Very important to actually see the numbers. So right now, the market cap on GameStop is $7.01 billion. million. You guys see right here, their beta is a negative 26. We're not really going to focus on that, 0.26. And we see the EPS trailing 12 months is negative $1.09. So they're obviously losing money on a trailing 12-month basis. Who knows if they ever get back to profitability? Time will tell, guys. I wish I knew. I'm not a fortune teller, though. But it's going to be interesting to see how that ends up playing out. Then pulling up the analysis tab here on GameStop based on 3 analysts, so not much coverage here on GameStop, but overall, based on 3 analysts, average EPS estimate is negative 12 cents, low estimate is negative 24 cents, high estimate is negative 6 cents, and a year ago they lost 52 cents on the quarter. So whether it's the high estimate, low estimate, average estimate, they're going to be looking a lot better than what they were looking like a year ago when, again, they lost 52 cents on the quarter. And on revenue, you guys can see on average, based on 3 analysts, they're looking to do $1.36 billion on the low side, 1.34, and on the high side estimate, 1.39 billion expected, with a year ago them doing 1.38 billion. So pretty much they're looking to do the same revenue they did a year ago. Sales growth, or in this case, the decline, is expected to be 1.5%. You guys can see that right here. So yeah, guys, it's going to be pretty interesting moving forward here for GameStop stock. And of course, you guys know, I mean, this is more of a legacy business, if you will. Their sales have been declining over the past couple of years as more and more people are going online to buy their games. I mean, think about it. If you have a system, Xbox, PS4, you can just simply go on the online marketplace. You guys know that by this point. If you don't know, I don't know where you've been. Have you been living under a rock? I mean, what the heck, guys? But, you know, if you have a gaming system, gaming console, Xbox, PS4, PS5, whatever it may be, you know, you can easily just go on and buy games online. And you can do this thing called Xbox, I think it's called Game Pass. I don't have it, but a couple of my buddies have it. I think it's like $10 a month, where essentially you can go and try out different games. You know, you can download a game. If you don't like it, you can play it a little bit, uninstall it, download another one, and it's just $10 a month. So pretty much this is really hurting GameStop, and it has been for years, and ultimately it could be the reason why they go bankrupt. But as of now, they're still alive, they're still breathing, and they're still doing $6 billion of trailing 12-month revenue. Not bad. With net income, let me see where that's at. You guys can see here, net income from continuing and discontinued operations is actually negative $300 million. So you guys know, I mean, they're losing money. They've been losing money, and like I said earlier in this video, who knows when they're going to get to back to profitability, if they ever do get back to profitability. So that's a quick rundown here on GameStop, guys. The charts, my thoughts a little bit there. And for me, guys, I'm not personally in GameStop right now, but I would consider getting into it if we start breaking out of this level that we're testing right now, which again on the charts you guys can see is right around $23, $23.50, which right now in real time we are getting rejected at that point on the intraday chart. You guys can see we hit $23.25 earlier, got hit many times there. Now we started to rally again about a half hour ago, not even, and it looks like we're failing to break out yet again. So time will tell, guys. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Feel free to hit that like button and subscribe if you guys like this type of content, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000. Once you open up an account using that link down below, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. And once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks totaling 5 stocks. And once you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below. You might as well get 12 more stocks from Webull with any amount deposited. Hey, up to 27 stocks. You can't beat that. Link down below. And feel free to check out my Patreon, guys, if you guys want to be a part of the Patreon portfolio, the Discord chat. You want to see my charts and ideas throughout the day. All of that's on Patreon. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.